Italian sorbets, like gelato, are creamy, smooth, and full of flavor. In this video, I'll show you how to make a sorbet syrup that helps you create gelato shop quality sorbets at home, like mango and frutti di bosco, mixed berry. This recipe is similar to the one in my book, The Art of Making Gelato, but instead of tapioca starch, I'm using locust bean gum. Here's a quick breakdown of the ingredients. Sugar. This lowers the freezing point to keep sorbets scoopable and enhances the fruit flavor. Locust bean gum. This prevents ice crystallization, improves texture, and slows the melting of the sorbet. Dextrose. This further reduces the freezing point without adding excessive sweetness. Water. Water helps dissolve sugars and stabilizers while considering the fruit's natural water content. Light corn syrup. This helps prevent ice crystallization and enhances the smoothness of your sorbet. Since fruit contains 80 to 92% water, this syrup is key to making a creamy sorbet. Okay, let's get started. Store your sorbet syrup in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 4 days and make sure to whisk it before using. This sorbet syrup is super easy to make and will help you level up your sorbets to those served in the best gelato shops in Italy. For more recipes and videos, check out my channel, For the Love of Gelato. I have videos on how to serve gelato and sorbet at the perfect temperature, how to make an amazing fior di latte gelato, and one of my favorites, how to make gelato shop whipped cream at home. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for new videos, tips, and tutorials. Got flavor requests? Drop them in the comments or email me, tips@morganmorano.com. Thanks for watching.
For the love of gelato!